Hunt. Hunt. Ah. Get ready. Damn it! Fuck!
How in hell?
Well, I'm like this, trying to get through these goddamn trees.
I should have had that. That was...
Damn it, she nailed him too. Fuck! That was mine. I should have...
That was all on me.
Here! Fuck! Alright, hey, listen. Breathe. I gotta breathe because I'm fucking mad right now. Sorry, buddy.
Violet, I am sorry.
Come here. Atta girl. I'm sorry. Good girl. Good dog. Good job. Is that it? I think you got him out, bud. Maybe another one. Be careful. Right? Yeah, there is another. She got it. Hold, hold, hold. Hold. Good dog. That girl. That girl.
She's like, well, if you guys can't shoot, I'm just going to get it myself.
Oh my god.
Unreal.
There might be another in here. That was funny. Okay. Yeah, right? She's like, you guys suck, dude.
Yeah, Tommy. I couldn't have asked for a better shot.
Watch her here. No. Okay. She got another? Yep, get him, buddy. Get ready, Randy.
It's a hen. Oh, it's a rooster.
Did she catch it? Hold. Hold him. I got him. Hold. 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 Dead. Okay, well.
You're making our job easy.
Here went one. Right here. Yeah. Easy. Right here.
One down finally. Good girl.
She'll find it. GoPro highlight. Took off running, eh? Unless she's on another one. I used to be like, depending on what's going on, I'd call her back and be like, it's right here. But if she may be running.
Shit, I didn't think that one was going anywhere.
I didn't either. Did you see where it hit? Or?
Yeah, I thought it was right here. But I don't see any tracks where it. Oh, right there. Just go off running now.
Yep. She might be on it. Here, bud. She got it. Good dog. Here. Wait. Here. Good dog. Hold him. Had it, girl. Come here. Hold that bird. He's a runner. Hold him. Good dog. Dead. She's something else. Here. Damn it. I couldn't. Violet, here. My gun was broke open and I didn't put another shell in. Here, two more. Yeah, I'm gonna have her go back. Violet. What is going on with you? You tired? Dead. Good girl. Go get him. Good girl. Good dog. Okay, okay. Get him? Violet, here. There's a dead bird here. Violet, here. Violet, here. Dead bird. Dead bird. Dead bird here. Come here, bud. Come on. Yeah. We'll come there in a second. Are you in the area? Right here. Okay. Did you find it? Yep. That's it then. We're done. Yeah. If she's got to find this one I just shot. Come here, buddy. Oh, man. Good dog. I don't know. She is amazing. Come here, buddy. What a good dog. What a good dog. Good dog. Dead. Oh, you are a good dog. You are...